A very good day for you, Dr. Muhammad Khairi and Professor Maya Dr. Ahmad Zaki. My name is Wong Chong Long. This is my presentation video for my FYP1 with the title Multi-Sensor Based Collision Avoidance System for Mobile Robot with Arduino. Thanks a lot to my supervisor, IR Dr. Farish, for guiding me to overcome the problem that I faced during my FYP1. This report describes the multi-sensor based collision avoidance system for mobile robot with Arduino. Mobile robot is one of the popular topics nowadays as the development of mobile robot can change the habit of human life. Because of the public acceptance and high cost of the development of mobile robot, the use of mobile robot not universal around the normal family yet. The use of mobile robot to replace the human to doing the dangerous mission already applied in search and rescue activity, but only a small amount. A simple and low-cost mobile robot has developed to analyze the obstacle avoidance feature of the mobile robot. Why? The scope of this project is using the Arduino as the microcontroller of the mobile robot and only testing for static obstacle. In many research, Raspberry Pi 3 has been used as the microcontroller of the mobile robot. Why? To reduce the development cost of the mobile robot, Arduino will replace the Raspberry Pi 3 as a microcontroller of the mobile robot. Infrared sensor and ultrasonic sensor will be used for detect the obstacle on indoor navigation. Mobile robot can be used for assist with work process and even accomplish tasks that are impossible or dangerous for human workers. According to National Fire Protection Association, there were 60,825 injuries reported while fighting fire in 2019, an increase 4% from 2018. Therefore, injuries and casualties are the reason why safety professionals, the government, and high-tech companies have come together in order to create firefighting robots that can perform tasks too risky for people. Mobile robot can be used in many fields, but was rarely designed for home use due to the high cost of development. So, I hope that can develop a low-cost mobile robot to increase the usage rate for mobile robot. The problem statement of this project are the acceptance of the technology by public. In a technical talk organized by Malaysian Society for Automatic Control Engineers, the speaker, Professor Dr. Hairi Zamzuri, stated that the public acceptance about the new technology was a problem, especially the autonomous vehicle, and it will also happen on this project. Would this project can accepted by public on the future? The second problem statement is the cost to development a collision-free mobile robot is high. In this research, it is intended to detect the distance of the obstacle by using ultrasonic sensor. Why? The objectives are to design and develop a mobile robot. Use multi-sensor to recover the shortcoming of different sensors, and to analyze the obstacle avoidance feature of the mobile robot. Lastly, the scope in this project are using Arduino as the microcontroller and only testing for static obstacle and experimenting indoors. And now I will talk about literature review. Based on the literature review, I get a lot of idea about my project and get more knowledge about the collision avoidance system of mobile robot. Three categories of research are analyzed, which are collision avoidance algorithm, mobile robot, and microcontroller. Because of limitation of time, I only present about the collision avoidance algorithm. The first collision avoidance algorithm is artificial potential field based algorithm. This algorithm is simple to implement and consume less computation load, and it's suitable for avoiding moving obstacles whose moving direction are unpredictable. But when the robot is close to target, its speed will be slow, and the robot will tread in U-shaped obstacle or oscillation occur when it goes through the narrow path. The second algorithm is vector field histogram. This algorithm eliminates the shortcoming of the VFF method, and we will discuss it on the next slide. This algorithm computationally efficient, and with this algorithm, mobile robot can continue and moving with fast speed without stopping for obstacle. But this algorithm not suitable for detecting the dynamic obstacle, and high resolution sensor or a number of sensors are necessary and causing the increasing of the cost. The next algorithm is the VFF method, which is virtual force field method. This method is simple to implement and consumes less computation load, and it allows for fast, continuous, and smooth motion of the controller vehicle among unexpected obstacles. And lastly, it less time required as it selects the shorter path. But this algorithm with less clearance between two obstacles and some problem will be occur. And the other problem is it will occur when robot travel in the narrow corridors. The last algorithm is follow the gap method. Compared to previous algorithm, follow the gap method appear in front of the wall for a short time only. Cause this method's first time debate was in year 2012. Follow the gap method avoid the obstacle by finding the gap between the obstacle. So, less time consuming as decisions are made on the basis of current concept. Besides that, this algorithm was easy to tune with only one tuning parameter. But two disadvantages of this algorithm also very obvious. First, the mobile robot with using this algorithm cannot avoid U-shaped obstacle due to its local characteristic. And these algorithms are not suitable for detecting the dynamic obstacle. This is my project flowchart. At the beginning, I'm looking for the research on collision avoid system for mobile robot to get the idea to doing my project. Then, literature review for searching of problem on previous related work is done and continue with research on technicals and components. After that, I will start to fabrication the mobile robot and design the hardware system. The development of software system will keep going on improvement until the system is work. Finally, can obtain the result and analyze the data. The main component will be used in this project are infrared sensor, ultrasonic sensor, and Arduino. And this is the list of the experiment. The experiment 1 is testing the operation of the mobile robot, and the experiment 2 is testing the Arduino is work or not with the sensor. Both of these two experiments will achieve the objective one. And the experiment 3 is testing the obstacle avoidance feature with different material and different shape of the obstacle. And experiment 4 is testing the obstacle avoidance feature with different arrangement type of obstacle. And both of these two experiments will achieve both of the objectives. This is the expected experiment and result of experiment 3 and experiment 4. The expected result for experiment 3 is the sensor fusion combine the strength of two sensors to overcome the drawback of the other. And combination of two sensors would causing error in calculating the distance of obstacle. For experiment 4, the mobile robot would tread in U-shaped obstacle and oscillation would occur when it goes through in narrow path. And I will try to overcome the error by using more sensor. In the conclusion, the improvement of multi-sensor based collision avoidance system for mobile robot with Arduino can taken based on the analysis data. More kind of sensor can be added on based on the fundamental of this project for apply this project in more mission. Thank you.